बहस मत करो। Don't argue. Don't argue. मुझे आराम की जरूरत है। I need peace. I need peace. सब कुछ वक्त दिखा देगा। Time will reveal everything. Time will reveal everything. खुद को समझो पहले। First understand yourself. First understand yourself. मत पूछो क्या बीता है। Don't ask what I've been through. Don't ask what I've been through. तुमसे इतना भी नहीं चाहा था। I didn't expect even this much from you. I didn't expect even this much from you. अब रिश्ते निभाने का मन नहीं। I don't feel like maintaining relations anymore. I don't feel like maintaining relations anymore. बात समझो, मतलब नहीं निकालो। Understand, don't interrupt. Understand, don't interrupt. बस कर दो अब। Just stop now. Just stop now. सब दिखावा है। It's all a show. It's all a show. मैं खुद को संभाल लूंगी। I'll handle myself. I'll handle myself. तुम्हारी सोच पर तरस आता है। I pity your mindset. I pity your mindset. नाटक बंद करो। Stop the drama. Stop the drama. अब और नहीं सह सकती। I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. तुमने जो किया उसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी। You will have to pay for what you did. You will have to pay for what you did. हर सवाल का जवाब वक्त देगा। Time will answer every question. Time will answer every question. मैं हार मानने वालों में से नहीं हूं। I'm not the one who gives up. I'm not the one who gives up. जब वक्त सही नहीं होता, लोग भी गलत लगते हैं। When the time is wrong, even people seem wrong. When the time is wrong, even people seem wrong. भरोसे को तोड़ने में एक पल लगता है, बनाने में उम्र। It takes a moment to break trust, but a lifetime to build it. It takes a moment to break trust, but a lifetime to build it. मैं कमजोर नहीं, बस शांत हूं। I'm not weak, just silent. I'm not weak, just silent. जो खो गया उसकी चिंता नहीं। I don't worry about what's lost. I don't worry about what's lost. ये मेरी आखिरी चेतावनी है। This is my final warning. This is my final warning. मेरे सब्र को मेरी कमजोरी मत समझना। Don't mistake my patience for weakness. Don't mistake my patience for weakness. कभी कभी चुप रहना ही ताकत है. Sometimes staying silent is strength. Sometimes staying silent is strength. मैंने तुम्हें माफ किया तुम्हारे लिए नहीं अपने लिए. I forgave you not for you but for myself. I forgave you not for you but for myself. अब मेरे पास खोने को कुछ नहीं बचा. I have nothing left to lose now. I have nothing left to lose now. मैंने खुद को संभालना सीख लिया है. I have learned to handle myself. I have learned to handle myself. हर इंसान को उसकी औकात याद दिलानी चाहिए. Everyone needs to be reminded of their limits. Everyone needs to be reminded of their limits. अब मैं किसी के पीछे नहीं भागती. I don't chase anyone now. I don't chase anyone now. रिश्ते अगर बोझ लगें तो छोड़ देना चाहिए. If relationships feel like a burden, they should be left. If relationships feel like a burden, they should be left. मैं अब पहले जैसी नहीं रही. I am not the same as before now. I am not the same as before now. वक्त ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया है. Time has taught me a lot. Time has taught me a lot. मैंने जो सहा है वो कोई नहीं समझ सकता. No one can understand what I have endured. No one can understand what I have endured. आज जो मैं हूं वो मेरी मेहनत का नतीजा है. What I am today is the result of my hard work. What I am today is the result of my hard work. मेरी चुप्पी में बहुत कुछ छुपा है. There's a lot hidden in my silence. There's a lot hidden in my silence. सब्र किया है, अब मेरी बारी है. I have been patient, now it's my turn. I have been patient, now it's my turn. मैं अब डरती नहीं किसी से. I'm not afraid of anyone anymore. I'm not afraid of anyone anymore. मेरे जज्बातों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't make fun of my emotions. Don't make fun of my emotions. अब मेरा दिल किसी के लिए नहीं धड़कता. My heart doesn't beat for anyone now. My heart doesn't beat for anyone now. तुम क्या जानो दिल का हाल. What do you know about the state of my heart? What do you know about the state of my heart? अपने वजूद की पहचान मुझे खुद बनानी है. I have to define my own identity. I have to define my own identity. झुकना मेरी आदत नहीं. Bowing down isn't my habit. Bowing down isn't my habit. जो चला गया वो मेरा नहीं था. What left me was never mine. What left me was never mine. तन्हाई में भी मैंने खुद को संभाला है. I have helped myself even in loneliness. I have helped myself even in loneliness. अब मुझे किसी का सहारा नहीं चाहिए. I don't need anyone's support now. I don't need anyone's support now. मैंने खुद को खुद ही संभाला है. I have managed myself on my own. I have managed myself on my own. अब दूसरों के लिए नहीं, मैं अपने लिए जीती हूँ. I live not for others now, but for myself. I live not for others now, but for myself. अब जवाब देने का समय आ गया है. Now it's time to give answers. Now it's time to give answers. मेरी खामोशी ही मेरा जवाब है. My silence is my answer. My silence is my answer. जब मैं टूटती हूं तो और मजबूत बनती हूं. When I break, I become stronger. When I break, I become more stronger. मुझे नीचा दिखाकर कोई ऊंचा नहीं हो सकता. You can't rise by putting me down. You can't rise by putting me down. अब दिल नहीं दिमाग से सोचती हूँ. Now I think with my mind, not my heart. Now I think with my mind, not my heart. अब मुझे कोई रोक नहीं सकता. Now no one can stop me. Now no one can stop me. मैं अपनी कहानी की हीरो हूं. I am the hero of my own story. I am the hero of my own story. मैंने अंधेरे में उजाला खोजा है. I found light in the darkness. I found light in the darkness. अब मेरी हिम्मत को मत परखो. Don't test my courage now. Don't test my courage now. मेरी हदें मत आजमाओ. Don't test my limits. Don't test my limits. हर बार गिरकर मैंने खुद को उठाया है. Every time I fell, I lifted myself up. Every time I fell, I lifted myself up. अब मैं किसी के लिए नहीं रुकती. I don't stop for anyone now. I don't stop for anyone now. मुझे जीतने की आदत है. I have a habit of winning. I have a habit of winning. कोई कितना भी गिराए मैं उठ जाऊंगी. No matter how many times I push down, I will rise. No matter how many times I push down, I will rise. मैं खुद ही काफी हूं. I am enough for myself. I am enough for myself. अब मैं खुद से प्यार करती हूँ. Now I love myself. Now I love myself. मेरी चुप्पी भी एक जवाब है. Even my silence is an answer. Even my silence is an answer. अब मुझसे सवाल मत करो. Don't ask me questions now. Don't ask me questions now. मेरी कहानी अधूरी नहीं है. My story is not incomplete. My story is not incomplete. मुझे खोकर तुम खुद को खो दोगे. By losing me, you will lose yourself. By losing me, you will lose yourself. मुझे पाने के लिए खुद को बदलना पड़ेगा. To have me, you will have to change yourself. To have me, you will have to change yourself. मैंने जो खोया उससे बेहतर पाया. What I gained is better than what I lost. What I gained is better than what I lost. मैं अब किसी के पीछे नहीं देखती. I don't look back for anyone now. I don't look back for anyone now. जो मेरे साथ नहीं वो मेरे खिलाफ हैं. Those who aren't with me are against me. Those who aren't with me are against me.